Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rayman in Brawlhalla. Rayman is a versatile legend known for his powerful gauntlets and axe. His gauntlets offer quick, close-range attacks, while his axe provides greater reach and knockback. Mastering his signature moves, like the neutral light attack and down air, is crucial for effective combat. Remember to use his recovery move to return to the stage or surprise opponents from above. Let's dive into his unique abilities. Rayman's gauntlets are fantastic for aggressive, close-range play. Focus on chaining your light attacks to build up damage quickly. A very effective combo involves using the down light attack followed by a neutral air attack, which can launch opponents for further follow-ups. Don't forget the ground pound. It's a strong move for finishing off opponents who are off-stage or for punishing dodges. Mastering these techniques will make you a formidable opponent. When wielding the axe, Rayman gains increased range and powerful knockback potential. The side light attack is excellent for controlling horizontal stage space, pushing opponents away. Combine the down light attack with an aerial follow-up for devastating combos that can quickly send foes flying. His axe recovery is a strong option for vertical knockouts and for safely returning to the platform. Experiment with these moves to find your preferred playstyle. To truly master Rayman, focus on seamlessly transitioning between his gauntlet and axe combos. Effective edge guarding with his down air and recovery can secure many KOs. Learn to use dodge frames to your advantage, avoiding incoming attacks and setting up counteroffensives. Don't underestimate weapon throws. They can deal unexpected damage, interrupt opponents' moves, or set up a quick weapon pickup for a follow-up attack. Keep practicing to refine your skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.